Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a surprisingly simple yet powerful natural remedy using an everyday kitchen ingredient, lemon juice. Age spots, those small, flat, dark areas that develop on our skin, often result from years of sun exposure and natural aging. Instead of spending money on expensive creams or undergoing complex procedures, I discovered that the gentle acidity and vitamin C in lemon juice can help reduce these spots and brighten your complexion. In this video, we'll explore what age spots really are, why they develop, and how incorporating lemon juice into your daily routine might be a cost-effective alternative to conventional treatments. I'll share my personal journey with this remedy to show you a step-by-step process that you can easily follow at home. We'll cover everything from selecting the right lemons to applying the juice correctly, and finish up with some important precautions to ensure your skin stays healthy during the process. So sit back, relax, and join me as we uncover an accessible and natural way to help achieve a more even skin tone with the magic of lemon juice. Age spots, sometimes called liver spots or sunspots, are flat, dark patches that appear on skin frequently exposed to the sun, such as the face, hands, shoulders, and arms. These marks develop over time due to a combination of aging and prolonged ultraviolet UV exposure, which triggers the skin to produce extra melanin. While these spots are typically harmless, many people find them concerning when they disrupt an even skin tone. Common treatments include various over-the-counter creams, chemical peels, and even laser therapies. Chemical peels and professional dermatological procedures aim to remove pigmented areas by accelerating skin cell turnover. However, they often come with high costs and sometimes unwanted side effects, such as irritation or further hyperpigmentation, if not administered correctly. For those with sensitive skin or a tighter budget, these treatments might not be the most appealing solution. This growing awareness has pushed many to explore natural, gentle alternatives that work effectively without harsh chemicals or invasive techniques. One such option is lemon juice, a widely available kitchen ingredient that offers natural exfoliation and skin brightening benefits. In our discussion today, you'll discover why many are turning away from synthetic products and embracing nature's remedies for clearer, more even skin, using a method that is both affordable and effective. Lemon juice is more than just a salad dressing ingredient. It's a natural powerhouse for your skin. Rich in vitamin C and natural acids, lemon juice offers a host of benefits that can help diminish age spots and improve overall skin tone. The secret lies in its citric acid, which acts as a gentle exfoliant. By encouraging the natural shedding of dead skin cells, lemon juice helps reveal newer, fresher skin beneath. This natural exfoliation process gradually lightens dark spots and can lead to a more even complexion without harsh chemicals. In addition, vitamin C is known for its antioxidant properties that help protect the skin from daily environmental stressors and UV damage. Unlike some over-the-counter treatments that may feel heavy or oily on your skin, lemon juice provides a light, natural alternative that is both budget-friendly and easy to use. Many also find that incorporating lemon juice into their routine not only targets age spots, but adds a noticeable brightness to the skin overall. While its benefits are impressive, it's important to use it carefully, as the same natural acids can irritate if left on too long. In the following section, I'll share how I put lemon juice to the test in my personal journey toward a clearer complexion. I started noticing small dark spots on my face and hands as I got older, subtle reminders of years under the sun. At first, I felt frustrated because these spots gradually disrupted my once even skin tone. I had tried various commercial creams and even considered more invasive treatments, but the expense and risk of irritation were real concerns. That's when I began reading about natural remedies, and lemon juice caught my eye. With nothing to lose and plenty to gain, I decided to give this simple remedy a try. My journey began with selecting fresh organic lemons from a local market. I believe that when it comes to natural treatments, freshness truly matters. I carefully sliced a lemon in half and squeezed out its juice, making sure to remove any seeds and pulp. Using a clean cotton ball, I gently dabbed the lemon juice directly onto my age spots. The process was straightforward, yet required a careful touch. I made sure the cotton ball was clean to avoid any irritation caused by impurities. I left the lemon juice on for about 15 to 20 minutes, during which I experienced a slight, refreshing tingle, a sign that the citric acid was working on my skin. After the allotted time, I rinsed my face with cool water and followed up immediately with a soothing moisturizer to prevent any dryness. This ritual became a daily part of my routine, and I diligently repeated the process for 2 weeks. Slowly but surely, I began to notice that the dark spots were fading, and my overall complexion looked noticeably brighter. Although the spots did not vanish completely, their reduced appearance made a significant difference, and my skin seemed to have a renewed vibrancy. This experience not only improved my skin's appearance, but also boosted my confidence. Embracing a natural solution like lemon juice reminded me that sometimes simple, everyday ingredients can offer remarkable results, especially when used with care and consistency. Let's break down the exact process of using lemon juice to help lighten those unwanted age spots. Begin by selecting fresh lemons, as their potency is essential for effectiveness. Place a fresh lemon on your counter and slice it in half with a clean knife. Squeeze the juice into a small, clean bowl, ensuring that you remove all seeds so that only pure liquid is used for your treatment. If you have a manual juicer, that's a great option to maximize the yield. Once you have your lemon juice ready, take a fresh cotton ball. Using a clean one each time is crucial to keep your skin free from contaminants. Gently dab the cotton ball into the lemon juice and then apply it directly to the age spots. Be soft in your application. You want to cover the area evenly without scrubbing harshly. After applying, allow the juice to sit on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. This duration is just enough for the natural acids to work on breaking down pigmentation and promoting light exfoliation without overdoing it. When the time is up, rinse your face thoroughly with cool water to remove all traces of lemon juice. Immediately follow up with a light, soothing moisturizer to replenish moisture and protect your skin's barrier. Incorporate this routine into your daily skincare ritual, preferably in the evening so that you aren't exposed to direct sunlight after treatment. If you're new to using lemon juice, monitor your skin closely. If any irritation occurs, consider reducing the application time or frequency. Before you make lemon juice a regular part of your skincare routine, keep these important tips and precautions in mind. Lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it's essential to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF every day, especially if you plan to be outdoors. Always perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying lemon juice to your face. This simple test can help ensure that you won't experience any adverse reactions or irritation from the citric acid. Since the acid in lemon juice may dry out your skin, be sure to follow up the treatment with a gentle, hydrating moisturizer to maintain a healthy moisture balance. If you have sensitive skin, consider reducing the duration for which the lemon juice remains on your face or limit the frequency of applications until you become comfortable with the treatment. Listen to your skin's needs. If you experience persistent redness or discomfort, pause the treatment and consult with a dermatologist. In summary, using lemon juice as a natural remedy for age spots is a cost-effective, accessible alternative to more expensive treatments. While this method might not completely erase every spot overnight, a consistent, careful routine can significantly reduce the appearance of dark spots and lead to a brighter, more even complexion over time. This approach offers a gentle option for those who prefer natural ingredients over chemical-based products. Remember to always protect your skin with sunscreen, perform patch tests, and keep your skin hydrated with a good moisturizer. I invite you to give this natural method a try and experience the transformation for yourself. Thanks for watching, and here's to clearer, healthier skin.